Most so-called portable projectors are an exercise in managed disappointment. They're built to fail, offering a dim, washed-out image that serves as a monument to profound compromise. You are sold the idea of convenience, but you pay for it with your time, perpetually caught in the frustrating loop of adjusting focus and keystone that are almost without exception disposable plastic novelties, not precision instruments. A waste of resources. This JMGO N1S Pro, however, appears to be engineered around a core of industrial integrity. The technical soul of this machine, its narrative anchor, is not the raw brightness, but its absolute fidelity. It achieves 110% of the BT dot 2020 color space. Let me be clear. This is not about making marketing slides or cartoons look more vibrant. This is a professional grade standard of color reproduction, an assurance that what you see on the screen is a ruthlessly accurate representation of the source data. It represents the industry's widest color spectrum, signaling a fundamental refusal to compromise on the most critical aspect of any visual device. This commitment to accuracy is supported by legitimate power. 5250 ISO lumens mean the image has authority, punching through ambient light that would render lesser units useless. The true 4K resolution and a respectable 1600 to 1 contrast ratio provide the stark, defined canvas required for this level of color precision. But the tangible return on your investment here is measured in reclaimed time. The integrated dim bulb, when paired with the device's smart adjustment wizard for screen fitting, object avoidance, and focus, entirely eliminates the tedious, time-wasting ritual of manual setup. You place the machine, and it configures a flawless image. It does not waste your time. For those requiring low latency performance, the HDMI 2.1 port provides a 17 millisecond response, finally making the projector viable for fast-paced gaming without insulting delays. Internally, a flagship MT9669 chip, backed by 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, prevents the sluggish, unresponsive interface that plagues this entire product category. And the pure triple laser light source is rated for a 20,000 hour lifespan. You will not be changing a lamp. This isn't a temporary amusement. It is a self-sufficient, time-efficient imaging tool built for the long haul. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price in stock on Amazon.